Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating seven-spotted ladybug, one of nature's most beloved insects. Known for its iconic red body with 7 black spots, this tiny beetle plays a significant role in ecosystems across the world. In this video, we'll dive into the science, behavior, and impact of this remarkable insect. Let's start by getting to know the seven-spotted ladybug. The seven-spotted ladybug, or Coccinella septempunctata, is one of the most common species in the Coccinellidae family. Its distinct appearance, a bright red elytra or wing covers adorned with 7 black spots, makes it easily recognizable. Found primarily in temperate regions, it is a predator that helps control aphid populations, making it a natural form of pest control in gardens and farms. But there's more to this tiny creature than meets the eye. The seven-spotted ladybug is native to parts of Europe, but its range has expanded worldwide. You can now find it in North America, parts of Asia, and even some regions of Africa. It thrives in a wide variety of habitats, from woodlands and meadows to urban gardens. Whether it's a leaf in your backyard or a field of crops, these ladybugs are always ready to lend nature a hand in keeping pest populations in check. Like many insects, the seven-spotted ladybug goes through a complete metamorphosis. Their life cycle starts when the adult female lays her eggs, often near a colony of aphids, the primary food source for the larvae. After a few days, the eggs hatch into larvae, which resemble tiny alligators. These larvae are voracious predators, consuming large numbers of aphids as they grow. Once the larvae are ready to pupate, they undergo a transformation inside a hard cocoon. After about a week or so, the adult ladybug emerges, completing the cycle. A single ladybug can live for several months, from spring to fall, and during that time it might consume thousands of aphids. Ladybugs are often called nature's pest control, and for good reason. In their larval and adult stages, they are fierce predators of aphids, mites, and other small insect pests that can damage crops. A single ladybug can consume up to 5,000 aphids in its lifetime, which makes them invaluable in reducing the need for chemical pesticides. They not only help farmers, but also gardeners and natural ecosystems by keeping pest populations in balance. Ladybugs, despite their small size, have a fascinating anatomy. Their red exoskeleton, which contains the characteristic 7 black spots, is a warning sign to predators. These spots are a form of aposematic coloration, signaling that they are distasteful or even toxic to some would-be attackers. This defense mechanism, coupled with their ability to release a foul-smelling fluid from their legs, makes ladybugs hard to eat. Interestingly, ladybugs are not only visually striking, but also highly mobile, capable of flying long distances. They use their wings to travel between areas in search of food or to lay eggs in suitable environments. Many people think that all ladybugs have exactly 7 spots, but that's actually a misconception. While the seven-spotted ladybug is typically identified by its 7 black spots, some variations can occur, with ladybugs having more or fewer spots. The number of spots can also change due to genetic factors or environmental influences, so don't be surprised if you come across a ladybug with slightly different markings. Ladybugs, especially the seven-spotted ladybug, play an important role in maintaining the health of ecosystems. Not only do they help control pest populations, but they also contribute to pollination, though they aren't the primary pollinators. Their presence in gardens, fields, and forests helps sustain a balanced food web, where plants, insects, and other wildlife coexist in harmony. By controlling aphids and other pests, ladybugs contribute to healthier crops and gardens. Unfortunately, the seven-spotted ladybug faces some threats to its survival. One of the biggest challenges is the introduction of non-native ladybug species, particularly the Harmonia axyridis, also known as the Asian lady beetle. These invasive species often outcompete the native seven-spotted ladybug for food and nesting sites. Additionally, habitat loss due to urbanization and agricultural practices is a concern. As natural environments shrink, ladybug populations may struggle to find suitable areas to thrive. You can play a part in helping protect ladybugs and support their populations. Creating a ladybug-friendly garden by planting aphid-friendly plants like roses, sunflowers and beans can encourage ladybugs to visit. Avoiding harsh chemical pesticides in your garden also allows these helpful insects to thrive. If you have a garden, consider setting up a ladybug house, a simple shelter where ladybugs can find a safe haven during their life cycle. The seven-spotted ladybug may be small, but its impact is enormous. From keeping gardens and crops healthy to supporting natural ecosystems, this tiny beetle is a true marvel of nature. So next time you spot a ladybug, remember just how important it is in the delicate balance of our environment. Thanks for joining us in learning about this fascinating insect, the seven-spotted ladybug. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more fascinating nature videos. Stay curious and keep exploring.